Last table we need to create is the volunteer hours. A new table, volunteer hours, and save. And then the fields we need are, we need a name, and we're gonna need to create the two relationships to the other two tables. The first relationship is gonna be related record to the which shift, right? And then just one shift at a time. Let's say volunteer shift. And you can add information, like from the shift you could get the name of the job, right? And let me go back to the volunteer job and pull the name of the event here, right? For the, or maybe on the volunteer shift, what I'm trying to do is I need the name of the event to appear in this table, so I don't have to navigate up all the way up. So to get to the event name from the volunteer hours, you're gonna go up to the shift, and then from the shift up to the job, and then from the job up to the event. So from volunteer hours up to the shift, I want to make sure that the event name is in here, right? The event name is in here. Let me add a field and then lookup. If you add this, and then from the volunteer job, you can add the event itself here. So it's now pulling the name of the event. I'm not sure about this column. I'm going to delete this column. So we have now on the shift, I see the volunteer job name, and I see the let's give it a proper name. The event name. The event name, the job name. Now under hours, I can add a lookup and pull from the shift, and I need to see the event name. Same thing. It's the same information, just being displayed here. So we have the shift, we have the job, and then we have the event name. So all three, right? Now, the person who signs up for this event, we need to add this relationship as well. So this is another relationship, related record, the person. And let's name this volunteer, one volunteer at a time. We don't need to add anything here. Now that we have the relationship to the shift, the relationship to the volunteer, we need just two additional fields, the status. Actually, you notice that I typed down status, and it automatically detected that this is drop down, select status, and then we're gonna add the value registered, and another one for attended. I wonder if I hit tab on the, it didn't work. I was hoping it would have just add a new value, and then absent. Registered maybe yellow, and then attended would be maybe green, and then absent maybe red. And save. The last thing would be the number of hours, and this is a number field, number of hours. I'll just keep everything as is. And that's it, right? Now let's go ahead and add dummy data. I'll try to just type it down for Claude. Another table, volunteer hours. So we need name, we're gonna need volunteer shift, we're gonna need the person. This time we named the field volunteer, it's pulling up from the person table, right? And then status, and I want to give it the three status that we have, so it doesn't just come up with additional different values. And then the last thing is the number of hours. I didn't ask Claude to generate dummy data, but from the previous context, it did understand that. Downloading. And let's try to import. Import from CSV. So it doesn't recognize it because the header is different. And some tools, when you do an input like this, it would just let you know like which column are you referring to by this one. So you do actually the actual mapping in here. Software doesn't seem to do that. So what we can do is we can go to the actual file and edit it. So in here, I'm going to edit it to say volunteer to match the name. And then I'm going to edit this one to say just status. And re-import. Import hours. This time it understood. And let's import. Again, cleaning these three. That's good. That's it. Thank you.